Did you know that Nicki Minaj not only dominates music charts, but also has a huge impact on the beauty industry? From her iconic wigs to her bold makeup looks, she is a trendsetter. Today I'm diving into her latest beauty collaboration, the Pink Friday Nails.
Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my experience with the Nicki Minaj Pink Friday press-on nails. I've always admired Nicki's iconic style, so when I saw these nails, I knew I had to try them out. Alright, let's get into the unboxing of these Pink Friday press-on nails. Look at this packaging, it is so chic. The nails come in a variety of designs and colors, all inspired by Nicki's bold and vibrant style. And the best part, they come with everything you need for application. Adhesive tabs, a mini nail file, and a cuticle stick. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at these stunning designs. This set is called Starship Chromes in an almond size large. This next design is called On My Tippies in an almond medium size. Queen's Ransom in an almond shaped size large. This next set is called Mogul in a coffin shape large size. This was the one I really loved the most, and I used this one in today's nail set. This next design is still part of the Starship Chromes in an earthy champagne color, also in a coffin shape in large size. And lastly, this set is called Pardon My French in an almond shaped medium size. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, let's put these fabulous nails on. And here they are, all applied. I was blown away by how stunning they look. The colors are vibrant and the designs are so unique. I didn't expect them to feel this comfortable and secure. Overall, I'm really impressed with these press-on nails. They were easy to apply, look amazing, and have held up well so far. The only downside might be that they require a bit of care to avoid damage, and they were slightly long for me. But that's a small price to pay for such a fabulous look. Have you tried these press-on nails before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out some of my other latest videos for more tips and product reviews. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more nail content. Until then, thanks for watching.